Gates open for the 2009 Pilrocom Piltobo Juvenile Championship. Carriedo draws for your lead, moving up by the rail East Tiger Moon. Crystal's Beauty comes next, then comes Toris Best, Invincible, Pinakamagaling, moving up party outside Perfect Material, together with Gastambide, followed by Well, Len, and Rolling Thunder is the early trailer as they round the 3/4 mile pole and heading towards the back. Now we have Tiger Moon in command by about a length and a half. Carriedo moving up to take second, down in third, Toris Best, followed by Crystal Beauty in fourth. Then running in fifth, now moving up is 5A, and that's Gastambide. Perfect Material, Invincible is by the rail. Then moving up now, Pinakamagaling, Rolling Thunder, Len, and well. Now running at the tail of the field. About to pass the last 600. Now we have Carriedo takes command over Tiger Moon in second, who's fighting back down on the inside. Moving up once again to take third, Crystal's Beauty, and on the outside, Gastambide, Toris Best, Perfect Material, Len also arriving to the race to us. They turn for home. We have the top favorite, Carriedo over Tiger Moon in second, this time by about 3 lengths. Moving up now to take second is well. Rolling Thunder also closing in. Carriedo, the champion 2-year-old, this time by about 6 lengths and bagging another Pilrocom Piltobo Juvenile Championship. Second, Rolling Thunder, well. Then comes 5A, Gastambide, Len, Crystal's Beauty, number 8, Pinakamagaling. Then comes Toris Best, number 1, Tiger Moon.